For micro dispensing, there is one product line that is proven and trusted by manufacturers in semiconductor packaging, electronics assembly, medical device, and electromechanical assembly the world over. DL Technology, superior pumps and needles for the finer things in life.
So welcome to Cyberoptics here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Dr. Subodh Kulkarni. Nice to see you, Dr. Kulkarni.
Good to see you again.
Okay. So tell me, one of the things you brought out in the last year or so was the CMM, which is really a direct measurement system. A lot of the other AOI companies have been using imagery, basically, but in an age of Industry 4.0 and smart factory, you really need data. You need hard data. Tell us a bit about why you went into the CMM and what it brings.
We are excited to bring the CMM functionality in our AOI system, and really it's the world's first inline CMM tool that you are seeing over here at the show floor. What really got us here is really our customers. Our customer, what is going on at a higher level is the semiconductor industry and SMT industries are merging together, and a lot of applications that are very demanding that are coming from that merged space, the advanced packaging space, is really where we are finding our sweet spot. So as customers are stacking chips or embedding dies or doing fan-in, fan-out kind of packages and merging them with SMT type, PCB type packages, they need not only inspection but measurement. They need to know not only that the image is good or if it's pass or fail, but they need to know whether all the dimensions are accurate, the point-to-point distances are accurate. In cases like socket metrology, are the pins at the right height, are the coplanarity is exactly what they want it to be. So it's no longer acceptable for them to just say pass or fail. They need to know the real measurements. And that's what we have enabled. At the heart of it is our sensing technology. Yeah. We believe we are the best in our 3D non-contact optical sensing technology that we call MRS, multi-reflection suppression. That allows us extremely high resolution, accuracy, and speed all at the same time. With the high fidelity data that we have, we can enable measurements on top of that. Right. So once you have the raw data, which is extremely high quality, then generating measurements is not a difficult task. Right. It's a fairly simple software routine that can generate all the measurements. Right. But again, what got us here is customers in the advanced packaging space, where SMT and semi are merging. Okay.
Now, as you said, you have been known for many years actually for your sensing technology, and producing your sensors. You also talked about raw data. Raw data gives you, of course, the cleanest, most measurable data you can get. What sort of accuracy are you getting down to?
So our highest resolution sensor that we call PSX325 that goes in our 3D AOI CMM system, which we call SQ3000. The sensor has a resolution, lateral resolution of 7 micron, and so that it gives you a few micron, 3 sigma accuracy in the XY dimension. But because we are using phase shift profilometry, our Z dimension accuracy is down to a 1/10 of a micron. So we are really accurate in the Z dimension more than the XY dimension. And many customers want to know the Z dimension with more accuracy than the XY dimension. And that really is where phase shift profilometry plays pretty well. Yeah. So we are talking typically a couple micron, 3 sigma in XY direction, and a 1/10 of a micron, 3 sigma in the Z direction. So very accurate.
Yeah, very. So I mean, what kind of heights can you go up to though on the Z direction?
So on a raw basis, we can go up to 30 millimeter Z component height. The depth of focus becomes important. So we have a few millimeter depth of focus. So at any given moment of time, if you are using our highest resolution sensor, you need to choose the plane where you are looking at. But overall, we can go up to 30 millimeter height for components.
So you can cover all these connectors and pins that are used in automotive and this type of thing?
Absolutely. And then again, the resolution and accuracy are down to 1/10 of a micron, so very, very accurate over a very long distance.
So I believe you sell this as a license so I assume therefore it can also be backwards compatible with machines that are in the field.
Absolutely. So we enabled a CMM, inline CMM functionality only about a year ago or so. So many of our customers who have bought our SQ3000 AOI SPI system come back to us. They want to enable the CMM functionality, and all it is an additional flash drive that gets plugged into the system, and now the software can do all your measurements at the same time. So all the machines that we sold a couple years or 3 years ago are backward compatible. They can buy our CMM functionality, and going forward we'll continue to do that. We'll always try to maintain backward compatibility.
Great. Well, honestly, I think you have done exceptionally well bringing in the CMM, and I want to thank you for telling us more about it today.
Well, thank you for your interest. We look forward to coming and showing more improvements in the future.
Yes. Okay. We look forward to that. Thank you very much. Thank you.